everyone. My name is M. Supraja. I am studying 9th class from ZPHS Kapla Kanpatti. I am telling about congruence rules. SSS rule. Axiom. If three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. It is congruent. This is SAS axiom. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. It is congruent. It is ASA axiom. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of the two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of the one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of the other triangle. It is RHS axiom. If in two right triangle the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and corresponding side of other triangles, then the two triangles are congruent. Thank you, one and all.